maarte to siya eh. At yan, I like her. Maarte. Ito, mabait to. Tapos ito rin. Hello everyone! Good afternoon here in Canada. So, kumusta kayo dyan mga Marites? So, mga Marites, ang i-react ko ngayon is itong grupo na Bini. To be honest, mga kamarites, mga chismosa, my fellow chismosa dyan, hindi ko po sila kilala, lately lang. Kasi yung pinsan ko dito sa Canada na bakla, nami-mention sila. Ang alam ko lang po talaga sa mga P-pop is SB19 kasi fan po ako ng SB19 since 2019. So, hindi ko po sila kilala at lately lang. Tapos, hindi ko rin po naririnig po talaga yung music nila. Naging issue nga sila dahil dito sa pag-review nila ng mga Pinoy street food. So, hindi ko pa talaga ito nakikita mga kababayan, mga Marites. Tignan natin kasi hindi ko pa po talaga nakikita to. So, in this channel sa YouTube like days ago, nag-comment po ako doon kasi nakikita ko po yung show ni Christopher Min na Showbiz Now na at talagang na-disappoint sila dito sa grupo na ito. At sabi nga ni Christopher Min, hindi naman sila galing sa mga richness na family, okay lang naman sila, lahat naman ng mga Pilipino nakatikim ng mga street food. So, nung nalaman ko yan, nag-comment ako sa channel na ito without seeing nga, sabi ko, I was just judging how Christopher Min said and based on her comments. So, nag-comment ako sa channel na ito at sabi ko, ang OA, di ba, ganyan. So, let's see kung talagang OA nga ba, kung bayan sabi nga ni Christopher Min, ang alam lang nila ang group na Bini, hindi nila kilala individually sino ang mga members. So, kasama na po ako dyan, hindi ko po sila kilala. Ang alam ko lang po at ang memorize ko, members ng SB19. Ay, love you SB19. Sana, kasing galing ng SB19, no? Female version. Let's continue.
I'm so excited.
Okay, what's the first one?
Out which ones will bring back some core memories and which ones you never want to eat again. How are you feeling right now? Excited! Hungry! Give it to us. Let's go. I have a little surprise.
Sila pa yan. Tignan natin mga mukha. Alam mo, yung mga faces nila, mahirap i-memorize. Talaga, kung hindi ka talaga fan na fan sa mga kanta nila. Like, what's that? Oh,
This one. Mine is corny.
ako lahat.
This is my favorite one. You like the corn nuts? Yeah. Those are really good. So you said that Beanie represents the modern Filipino woman. If you could compare your music to a classic Filipino snack, what would it be and why? Sinigang. Sinigang?
Snacks ba ang sinigang?
Sinigang. Banana Q.
Yes.
Why?
Yes, banana Q. It's healthy. So, sino ba ang Filipino na hindi nakatikim ng banana Q? Or although hindi natin favorite, pero kinakain natin, di ba kasi healthy?
So for our first snack, on a scale of 1 to 10, what are you rating this and why?
I rate this a 10 out of 10 because these are my favorite snacks. I would rate it an 8 just because I'm not such a big fan of green peas.
It's okay, I hate green peas too.
Fine.
May iba po talaga ayaw ng green peas, so okay lang yan.
A 5 out of 10.
Oh.
This is my bias, the corny, and that's it. A 5 out of 10 also.
Yes.
Huwag na lang sana yung 5 over 10, uy. So, sa lahat sa kanila 8, para ngayon ko lang sila nakita individually, parang yung short hair, ang madali kong ma-memorize yung mukha.
Your Filipino culture.
Like a buchi. It's like buchi.
Oh!
At least yung quick, di ba, nagustuhan nila.
Yeah. What?
I like also quick, guys, pati yung mga anak ko.
So you guys have to. Where's the?
Pilaam ba siya? Itong nakaitim? Pilaam kasi para siyang inosente sa mga Filipino snacks. Pilaam ba siya? Or not Pilaam, but from outside the Philippines?
3 out of 10.
Grabe naman.
I'd just say it's a 1 out of 10 for me.
One of yung guys, sino yun? Sino yung dalawa? Kasi ano sila yung maarte, yung dalawa, yung parang naka-pink tapos yung isa, 'di ba? Yung they are sitting beside each other. Sila yung maarte. Yung short hair, gusto ko yun. Tapos yung isang naka-black, yung black hair na medyo puti, black and white. Tignan nga natin ulit.
And I didn't grow
Yan,
up
I like
in
her.
Ethiopia.
I like that girl.
But you must try it. Like you eat it, this one, and then you dip it into like something hot chocolate or whatever. It tastes better.
That's good. Yan, ayok. Sila ba to? Hindi.
Gwen is contemplating this so intensely.
0.98.
Oh!
Grabe.
Oh, it's lower. That's exactly it.
I love it. I love it.
I miss this. Wow!
Ayaw niya. Guys,
Okay.
Guys, ano naman yan, parang insulto natin, no, mga Pinoy. They are Filipinos. The other members, ayaw nila ng hopya. Pag ganyan-ganyan, I don't eat hopya. But they are so happy when they were being served with hopya. I mean, mooncake. Pareho lang naman hopya sa mooncake, di ba? Pangalan lang yung iba. Nag-iba sa kanila. Tapos, I like the girl with short hair. Hindi siya maarte, no? Let's watch again.
Bar nuts. These chocolate peanut candy bars are a unique sweet that's a blend of peanut milk
Masarial?
and cocoa flavor.
O
I actually have
That's-
this in my bag right now.
They're super
That's Masarial, di ba? Masarial ba yan sa Cebu?
beloved nostalgic Filipino sweet.
These are my mom's favorite. Yo, sweet. I love. This is the one.
What's it taste like, or what's the texture like to someone who hasn't ever tried this before?
It mixed.
I don't like-
Mix siya ng peanut butter, chocolate, and powdered
Yan, sino to?
chocolate, powdered chocolate.
Girl, guys, sino yan? Yan. Ito parang maarte to siya eh. At ito rin, may pagka-maarte rin siya at siya. Tapos yung katabi niya na naka-black, itong tatlo ang maarte. Yan, yung short hair ang hindi maarte, no? Tapos yung isang naka-white and black, hindi siya maarte. Tignan nga natin ulit.
I tried my very first one of this morning. I had never even seen this product.
Ang sarap yata niyan, ano siya, Masarial from Cebu. Ito guys, maarte to, ito rin, at tapos itong dalawa.
Oh, it melts in your mouth.
Oh, love it.
For your first time.
I really liked it. It has like a cool crumbly texture, and it kind of like melts.
Yeah.
So you're no longer
Mahiya naman kayo, yung MC na yung nagsabi, yung host, nagsabi na masarap.
personal day. What's your go-to merienda?
Wait. Oh, yeah, street food. Yeah, fishball, gulaman, siopaw, siomai.
Siomai, yeah.
Yeah, we love street food. Siomai with lots of chili. Yeah, junk food. Ginataang bilo-bilo. Ginataang bilo-bilo. What's my favorite?
It's too sweet, but I think one is enough.
Mine is a 10. I know.
Ano, yung naka-red, guys, yung naka-red, sabi niya, 8 yung score niya, di ba? Kasi she's not into it, pero alam niya, with respect pa rin, sinabi niya 8 kahit too sweet for her. So, yan ang maganda sana, no? Yung kung gusto mo, edit 10 or 9 to improve pa the product. But kung ayaw mo naman, pwede 7, 6. Huwag naman yung 1 or 3, di ba? Walang nakapagsabi sa kanila, walang nakapag-orient sa kanila na dapat naman, huwag naman yung 1 at saka 3 kasi ano yan famous yan sa Pilipinas. Tapos, kung ayaw nyo naman or allergic kayo, hindi kayo sanay, huwag naman yung 1 at saka 3, kahit 5 man lang. 5, yes.
I mean, obviously, I'm not gonna
Oh!
6. I rate it a 6 out of 10 because I
Okay
also am not a big fan of nuts. What do you think you can
Yeah, 6, 7. What's that?
Wait, like vinegar? I think it's isaw. Oh, it's not a isaw? Isaw.
Guys, sa totoo lang, ako rin, hindi ako kumakain yan. So, let's see, no?
Vendors and served with a
I like chicharon bulaklak. Chicharon bulaklak sana.
Peanut
Masarap.
kurat sauce.
Pinakurat.
Pinakurat.
Suka pinakurat sauce. No.
I didn't.
Mika, you didn't even.
You saw that like that.
Oh, yeah, that's what I like. Yeah, like that. Yes. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yun siya. I like her. I like her. Yan. I like her. I like her. Sino siya, guys? Sino to?
Pours a lot of.
Ayan, maarte to.
10.
10.
Oh.
9.
Okay.
No, it's negative 1 out of 10. Yeah, specifically
Guys, siya talaga sa lahat yung pinakamaarte yun, yung negative. Sino yun? Hindi ba niya inisip na nasa harap siya ng camera at maraming mga sensitive na mga Pilipino? At
Mine is 8 out of 10. I like the letters.
I like her. That girl, yung naka-stripe, she's so sweet, no? Gusto ko yung naka-stripe. Tapos gusto ko yung short hair. Gusto ko rin yung isa yung naka-black and white. Mga ano sila, mga kind. Yung mga ano nila, reviews nila, they are careful, no, with their words. Guys, bakit hindi nila alam? Common ang yema sa Pilipinas. Saan ba sila lumaki, itong mga batang ito? Saan sila lumaki?
We want. They usually sell this in front of churches.
When you guys are traveling
Gusto ko yun yung naka-stripe na red or pink ba yan?
abroad, is there a snack that you guys always have?
Yan. Gusto ko itong dalawa.
Trying snacks
I like,
not snack, but
ito, mabait to, tapos ito rin. Gusto ko yung mga reviews nila.
tuna.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I like this too. Ito rin, maarte rin to, ito.
It's just,
Yan, maarte!
she's a foodie.
Ito, I like her.
She loves to bake, that's why.
Banana bread.
I rate it a 6.
I like her. Okay lang.
So I also have high standard. That's because I'm a foodie, but pour some vinegar on top of it. You crack it.
Ay,
Yeah, and then you balat it.
Balut is
yung maarte, kumakain pala siya ng balot. Okay lang yan.
a fertilized duck egg with a partially
Oh
developed.
my god, you guys are food.
Siya yung maarte, di ba? Ito. Tingnan nga natin.
Aya, tell us what it tastes like.
But it tastes like heaven. Everyone would know, but actually,
Gusto ko to. Ito siya. No?
it tastes so soft. Bro. It's not nice.
Salt on
I
your
like her too. I like this girl.
I love salt. 100 out of 10.
This one, maarte, pero this time okay siya.
Balut is my favorite street food.
Pero grabe siya yun, naka-negative yung isang rate niya sa isang food.
No, 0. I'm sorry.
Zero. Wag naman yung zero, girl.
I gave it to Stacy.
Sorry, stop it. Zero, bakit naman zero? For me naman, balot, even though hindi ako kumakain, but it came from chicken or duck. Duck ba yan? Yun, no, yung balot, duck, yeah, duck egg. So, it's not really that exotic. Yung ano lang kasi, may embryo doon. Pero, hindi siya yung galing sa mga animals na mga exotic. So, wag naman yung zero. Yeah, ito yung pinaka, sa kanilang lahat.
Sisio is baby duck. 3 out of 10. I like the yellow part. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yellow part is good with vinegar and salt. 9 out of 10 because I don't eat sisio. But I
Itong dalawa, gusto ko tong dalawa. Siya na lang ibinin nyo. Oh, ano yan?
Dugo.
Ito yung sabi nila. Ito yung sabi nila, guys, Betamax, no? Ako rin, guys, never po ako nakakain ng Betamax. Made of blood siya, di ba? Pero, to be honest, kumakain naman ako paminsan-minsan ng dinuguan. Lalo na pag spicy yung dinuguan.
The term pusong mamon?
Yeah.
Lahat naman sila, no? Gusto ng mamon, at least.
There's the opposite is pusong bang.
Guys, kinakain naman nila ang mamon, no? 'Di ba? Gusto nila ang mamon. So, at least lahat sila dito positive sa mamon.
It's so good. I love it. I love it. It's like tanghulu.
At least maganda yung ano nila.
Jika had her very first balut was the very first time I had turon, and
Ang sarap yata ng turon. Lahat sila, 'di ba? Positive sa turon.
And took it home to my husband. Like that's how much I fell in love with this dish.
Ang sarap ng turon kahit mga Canadian, guys.
Philippines. so sweet. And
Ayan pala yun.
usually fruits.
Guys, na-mention yan ni Christopher Min. Ito pala siya, no? Yung sabi na, turon, it's so 9/10 lang kasi it's so sweet. Para sa akin, there's nothing wrong with that. Kasi, ever since naman, itong member na itong short hair, positive yung lahat naman ng mga reviews niya sa food. Kahit hindi niya gusto, sinasabi niya, 8 or 9. Meron talagang ibang mga tao na hindi talaga mahilig sa sweet. Yung sabi nga niya, masarap, pero she's not really into sweet. Okay lang yan, at least 9/10. So, wala po ako nakikitang problema sa sinabi niya na too sweet. Talaga. At least 9/10 yung score niya.
As of turon, I eat fruits. 8 out of 10. Because I only eat turon without the sugar. 7
Ay.
out of 10.
Ay, yun pala, yun ang sabi ni, hindi pala yung isa siguro. Yun ang sabi ng isa na, I only eat turon without sugar. Yun ang, ayaw ni Christopher Min. Kasi daw, saan ka ba daw nakakita ng turon na walang sugar? Yan, mali yata yun eh, mali yata yun. May turon ba na walang sugar? Meron bang ganun? Siguro, siya ang nagluluto, pero hindi yan turon. Kasi ang turon may sugar po talaga. Kasi dessert siya eh, hindi siya ulam.
8 out of
Yan na ang na-miss ko dito sa Canada. Yan.
So finally, we have Tahoe, a Filipino.
10 na taho in the Philippines.
Bakit hindi 10/10? Walang nag-over 10/10.
5. What? I like the tapioca smaller. 10 out of 10 because it's healthy.
At least, no? At last nag-10/10 siya ngayon.
Leaving the Philippines, bringing us a 5. A 5. Just for this one because I personally like the small pearls. Me too. I prefer that one.
Let's see
Okay.
so it's a 9.
At
A 7
least.
out of 10. 4. Because I'm not into taho that much.
With Bayan
Let's-
street food is quite great.
Okay, guys. Yan. So, ano ang thoughts ko dito, guys? Anong thoughts ko? Alam mo, may mga members naman na positive yung reviews nila even though hindi nila favorite lahat. Yung short hair, siya the way she gives her reviews, siya, careful siya. Wala siya yatang below 5, di ba? So, hindi siya maarte yung short hair, tapos yung isa rin, may isa rin doon na sabi ko hindi rin maarte, pero meron siya isang comment na napakababa, okay lang yon, wala naman siyang sinabing hindi maganda. Tapos, kasi 8 members sila guys, di ba? May iba, maganda yung review, even though ayaw nila, pero at least, nagbibigay sila ng 7, 8, 6, which is okay. Pero yung iba naman na nagbibigay ng negative, grabe naman yung negative guys. Kung ayaw mo, wag naman yung negative or 1. So may members rin na nagbibigay ng 1, 2 at saka negative. We have to think of it na dapat sana sila alam nila na nasa camera sila, at kahit hindi ako kumakain ng ibang Filipino street food, hindi ako magbibigay ng negative 1 or 2. Lalo na pag nasa harap ako ng camera, kasi just a respect to those who are eating those foods. So siguro ang pinakababa ko kung ayaw kong kumain yan, lalo na yung Betamax na hindi ko talaga kinakain, siguro ang pinakababa is 5. Maarte daw. Sa palagay ko naman, half-half. May half ng members, talagang medyo maarte po talaga. At meron naman yung half naman, reasonable yung mga comments nila. At they are aware of the words that na ginagamit nila. So, half-half po ang masasabi ko sa Bini. So ngayon, kilala ko na yung Bini. Ito pala sila, 8 members. So, ang tumatak po talaga sa memory ko na makikita ko sila ulit, tapos masasabi ko na Bini member yan, yung short hair. yung iba, hindi ko po talaga ma-memorize yung mga mukha nila. So, yun lang po, guys. So, may iba na nagagalit, may iba naman na right to say what we want at ano yung gusto nila. So, iba-iba. So, yan po ang thoughts ko, mga Marites. So, until next time po, huwag niyo kalimutan, subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you so much. Bye!